Hi, I'm Cherise with the Sweet Tooth Fairy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Halloween hot cocoa bomb. First, we're going to start off with our Sweet Tooth Fairy melts. And put them in a microwave-safe dish. And then we're going to pop these in the microwave, and you're going to heat them for 30-second increments until they're fully melted. Okay, once these are fully melted, get out all the lumps, then we're going to pour it into our mold. You want to fill these about 1/3 of the way full. Okay. Then we're going to pop our lid on. And then you just want to rotate these until they're fully coated. Then these are going to go in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes until they're set up. And you want to make sure to take off your lid so that you have a hole to fill them with when we're done. Okay, we got these out of the fridge. They were in there for about 10 minutes and they're all set up now. And so we're going to fill them. Got our cocoa powder. We'll just fill this about halfway full. You can use any cocoa powder that you like. This is also where you could add fun things like marshmallows, candy, or sprinkles. We'll put some of these little marshmallows in. And then we're also going to add some of these fun Halloween sprinkles. Just get a few of these out here. Okay, I've got some melted melts in this piping bag. I'm just going to snip this end off. We have these plugs that we made with the melts, and I'm just going to put a thin layer of the melts around. And then just pop this right on and let that set up. Okay, now we're ready to decorate the eyeball. So I've got some melts here in a piping bag, and we're just going to heat these up and melt them, and then we'll use that to decorate. Now that this is melted, I'm just going to snip off the end here, and we're going to make this into an eyeball. So we'll just use this black and just going to pipe the eyeball on. We've got some red here. Make this Halloween and put some little squiggly veins. All right, there we go. And then just for fun, we've got these Sweet Tooth Fairy gummies. These are little spiders. I'm just gonna add a little spider. Just put a little bit of melt on the back. We'll stick it right on here. And there you go. Have a cocoa bomb ready to go.